of the Information System and Data Management exam. This time we have a special guest, our students from Bruneck. So I will correct at the same time the exam I gave in Bruneck, the exam 30104, and the exam in Bolzano, the 27000. The 30104 exam will be longer, so some parts will not be in the exam 27000. I will tell them obviously as soon as we do them now in the correction. Okay, so take your sheet. Let's see. First of all, I'm on a Mac as usual. Let's try to reach the network folder. So go connect to server. Okay, I go here, courses, connect. Ok, exam Coletti. At exam you will find a directory with yourself here. Let's see. Is there any Piccoletti? Yes. Okay, currently it's empty. Now I cheat because I put the files inside. Okay, these two files. Copy two items. Back. Okay. Paste two items. Okay, let's pretend that I had found these two files in the network folder. Oh, the two files are in the network folder. Okay, so I copy them on my desktop. Or you can work directly in the network folder. Do whatever you want. Both things are fine. Well, let's try. Let's take since I'm connected from home and not at university, it's a little risky to work here, but let's take my risks. At university, you can work directly from the network folder without any problem. So I open the Excel file. Let's see. In column M, for each student, compute the average hours per day. Divide the values in hours by the difference between columns F and E. So very unfriendly, it opens here. Okay, make it larger for you to see. So in column M, I have to divide equal number of hours divided by the difference between column F and E. So F2 minus E2. It's clearly wrong. You need parentheses here. Okay, click. Let's see, F2, E2. Yeah, okay. Save. Set the format of column M to percentage with 2 decimal digits. Ooh, difficult. No, locked already. It's okay. On Windows you have here a little bottom. On the Mac you don't. On the Mac, if I remember, you have to go format cells. Come on. Okay. Percentage, 2 decimal digits. Okay, fine. Okay. Save. The range A201, 205 includes the types of courses present in column type. For each type, count the number of attendees. Okay, so we go here. Equal count if this one. And I have to count the number of attendees, so I can select the entire column C without any problem. Okay. Oops! This is a typical bug, and they call this a bug of Excel. Number, please. Okay, let's see what's the problem. Language computer unit column C. Why? Okay, why 0? Why 0? Mystery. It's correct. But we'll investigate later because the formula is correct, I can guarantee. Using a pivot table, count the number of students for each course type and organizer. insert, pivot table, okay, organizer, type. Well, we can do it like this, or like this, or like this, as you prefer. Doesn't matter. You just put here any field, but important thing is that you use count. Okay, that's it. Oh, I save. In P1, compute the sum of hours, column L. Now let's wait. P1, the sum of hours. In column P, starting from P2, for each row compute hours, column L, divided by P1, if attended is yes. Otherwise, leave an empty cell, equal, if attended equal to yes. In this case, I have to type number of hours divided by this one with a dollar. Otherwise, leave empty. I have to drag it manually because it doesn't do it. The click doesn't do it. Okay. Do I have to put it in percentage format? No. But save, please. Why so many similar numbers? Because the number of hours is always 12. Using data from sheet histogram. Come on, okay. Make it larger for you. Create an histogram of the values in column data. Okay. So let's take a look at the values. The average is 5.94. The values range from 1 to 10. So let's see which bins does Excel suggest. Data analysis, histogram. Input range, this one, labels, chart output. What's this mess? Batch. I don't want to see this kind of histograms. Thank you. Delete. Okay, let's here create bins. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 perhaps. So let's redo it. Data analysis, histogram, bin range. Op. Okay, fine. Save. Okay, now a part which is not for student of 27000. In sheet loan, the equation in B7 computes the periodic payment for a loan of 20,000 euro with a 2% interest rate to be paid back in 40 payments. Using data table, evaluate how the payment changes when the interest rate varies from 1 to 3% with step of 0.5, the number of payment varies, blah blah blah. Okay, payment is here. So, 30, 35, 40. It's an exercise which also students of the other course can do, but since it has to do with finance, 1%, 1.5%. It's a comma here. Okay, let's do it. Select. Where is the data table? Data, what if analysis, data table. Row input cell. Okay, interrow the percentage. Oops, I forgot an important thing, sorry. equal this one. The payment, yes. So what if analysis, data table, row input cell, this one, column input cell, this one, open. Here you have what you have to pay according to interest rate and how many years. Save. Okay, an exercise for everybody. In Sheet Solver, consider the following problem. Here we go to Sheet Solver. Make it larger because I don't know you, but I can't see. My job is to buy scientific paper. I can choose between a conference paper and journal paper. A conference paper takes 8 weeks. Here it is. And a journal I need 15. A conference paper only 15. Increases my scientific reputation by 0.3 and the journal by 1. Okay. I must publish at least 2 conference papers and 1 journal paper to keep my scientific reputation. Determine the optimal number of journal and conference I have to write every year, given that in a year there are 52 weeks. Okay. So, let's fill in the blanks. Total reputation equal reputation per paper by weeks needed plus reputation per journal by weeks needed. Okay. Total weeks needed. Okay. Sorry. Reputation per paper. Wait. There's a mistake here. Reputation per paper by number of papers plus reputation per journal by number of journal. Okay, currently 0. Let's start with 1 and 1 just to put something. Or better, let's start with the minimum, which is 2 and 1. Okay. Total weeks needed. Where are the weeks needed? No, this is the minimum per year. Weeks needed, this one. Equal this one by this one plus this one by this one. Okay, now the constraints. Objective function. Well, it's this one. I have to maximize this one. Well, we can repeat it, but it's not really necessary. Let's repeat it just. Okay, open. Constraints. Okay. So, first of all, the minimum papers per the weeks must be smaller or equal than this one. Okay, then the minimum papers, so this number here must be larger or equal than this one, and this number here must be larger or equal than this one. Okay. Let's run the solver. I save because half of the job is done. Take 3 hours to save. Come on, solver. Objective function, this one. I have to maximize, change into which cells. This two. Okay, the constraints. This one smaller or equal than this one. Add this one larger or equal than this one. Add this one larger or equal than this one. Can we actually have a fractional journal paper? Yes, because I can start a journal paper this year and end it next year, so it makes sense to have fractional. So at the moment I don't put integer, or is there any? No, there is no request, so solve. So 2 conference paper, which was obvious, and 2.4 journal papers. So invest the rest in journal papers, which was, by the way, the obvious solution, because okay. And now access. So I close. Let me see whether this one is now correct. No, it's still wrong. But if I bet that if I shut it down and reopen it, it will magically set it back. 3 hours to open the file. Come on. Okay, let's see. No, mystery. Count if A201 CC. But this is written language exactly as above. Let me check, because this one is a mystery. I now literally copy the content of this cell and paste it here. So open. Oh, still 0. Okay, a mystery of Excel. Perhaps not choosing the entire column, but doesn't change too much. It's not a mystery of Excel, it's your professor which can't. CC. I found the bug. Okay. Now I can save and happily shut down Excel. Okay, now I have the. And what's this? Mystery. Now I should start the VMware. Obviously, it's something that you do before, not like me at the last minute. Windows Labs. Okay, some time. Come on. Oh, already done. So I open any directory. Courses. Exam Coletti. Percoletti. And I can open. Oh, this one is. I don't know what. Let's trash it. Okay. What is? I don't want to. Excel was shut down 3 hours ago. Okay. Or probably I didn't shut down. So a typical mistake in this exam is not shutting down your program. Okay. Come on. Let's see. List customers who bought a car after year 2010 and live in Bolzano. Enable content, don't forget it. Create query design, because we are expert users. Customers. So I need tax code. Tax code. Surname. Name. Phone number. They must live in Bolzano, so I need the town, but it will not be displayed, and criteria is Bolzano. Let's hope it's Bolzano and not Bozen, because towns which have 2 names make me crazy. And then I need who bought a car after year 2010. So ownerships, I bet. So ownerships by date. Well, after year 2010, you can simply write like larger or equal to 1/1/2011. If you prefer, you can extract a year from by date and write larger or equal to 2011. It's the same. I don't want to display this one. Okay. Yeah. Save. Q01. Beware of the names. Okay. Second query. Nothing else. Sort by surname and then by name. Oops. So, sort by surname and then by name. Okay, save. Done. List all cars whose repair took more than 2 days. You start and end in repairs. So create. Query design. Repairs. I need the car plate, the problem, and the cost. Is this car here the car plate? Yes, it's the car plate. So we not need any other table. The car plate, the problem, and the cost. And we need a condition on start and end. So let's call it duration. Zoom. Okay, so how it's the square bracket on a Mac, and minus start. Okay, more than 2 days, so larger than 2. Run. Yeah, okay. Don't display this one. Something else? No. Save. Q2. Close. Let's check. Okay, the dates are correct. I'm finished. I can shut down Windows and go back here. Where is my... Okay, these are the same files. Okay, done, everything is done. Goodbye.